So this is how to record a 1-minute audio file. So first step is to go to the discussion. Make sure you're in student view, which you all will be, and then go to the discussion where you want to do your audio file. In this case, it'll be the 1-minute audio assignment. And then your next step is to start a new thread, and you're automatically going to be in a group. So let's say whichever one's assigned to you. And then third step is to click this Add Attachments button, and you'll see here a button for Record Audio. So click that. So when you click this, you're going to get a window that comes up, and you're going to need the current version of Adobe Flash Player, which is at least this day in July 2018, it was like version 10.1. So I'm already set up because I downloaded it. If you get to this stage and you can't make this work, you'll just have to go Google Adobe Flash Player and you download it. It's like 20 megabytes. I would not download all this stuff. They want to give you like security scan, but all you need is the player. It's just a player that'll run through your browser. I'm using Firefox, so it seems to work pretty well with this. And when you get there, you have to click this little box. Maybe I can zoom this in if possible so you can see it. So click allow and then click remember, like that, hopefully. And then click close, and you'll get this fancy toolbar here. So step number, whatever step we're on, just click this red button, and you click that. See if we can record a recording within a recording. And you test your audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you're done, click the red button again. You can play it back. You're probably not hearing it, but it sounds good to me. And then you just click, save, like that. So that is, I'll call that my test audio file. So you can see, and then I would post it. You can put some text in there too. Add text here. So that's how you do it, and post, and you're good to go. And you should be able to see it in your discussion. So that's my test audio file, which I just made. And then as a student to go in and see other folks, you just basically go in and click on them, and it'll open up the file. And you can listen. And so in this case, it's opening up in it's like the Groove Music Audio, but any audio player will work for it. I think there might be options to play it through D2L as well. So just a reminder, it does cut off at 60 seconds, which is great because you students or whoever won't be leaving like 5-10 minute audio files. And yeah, it's a bit new. It's the first time we've had this OLIC, so curious to see what you all come up with, and let myself or the rest of the instructional design team know if you have questions. Over and out.